Ndị ọma m, ndewonu. Ka unu mere? Hello my beautiful people, how you doing? Eji m n'aka na unu na-enwe izu ụka dị mma. Hope you're having a good week. It's been raining here, so everywhere is kind of cool and I love it. How is it at your end? Anyways, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn numbers. Ta-da! Yes! ỌNỤỌGỤGụ n'Igbo. This reminds me of the nursery poem 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Catching fishes all alive. La 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 la. I miss those times. Life was way easier. Anyway, moving on. As usual, we're not going to have or learn all the numbers in one lesson. We'll take them in parts so that you do not feel overwhelmed and it's easier for you to grasp. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you're notified every time a new video is put up. Alright, now you've done that. Can you bido? Let's get started. 0 efu efu 1 otu otu 2 abụọ abụọ 3 atọ 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 4 anọ anọ 5 ise ise 6 isii isii 7 asaa asaa 8 asatọ asatọ 9 itoolu itoolu 10 iri iri. Okay, so let's go through it one more time. 0 efu 1 otu 2 abụọ 3 atọ 4 anọ 5 ise 6 isii 7 asaa 8 asatọ 9 itoolu 10 iri. So if you get the numbers 1 to 10, that forms the basis for the others, all right? So it's easier to get the other numbers if you know your numbers 1 to 10. Okay, so out of the numbers 1 to 10, which one did you grasp immediately? Let me know in the comments section. Anyị ga-akwụsị ihe ọmụmụ taa ebe a. We'll stop here for today's lesson. Ngwa kọrọ onwe gị aka. Clap for yourself. Ịgbalịala. Well done. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Your likes encourage me to keep making videos like this, so be liberal with it. Don't forget to keep practicing. Kode.